So there's a secret fifth subregion of Venezuela. Shh, don't tell anyone. There is. So this secret fifth region of Venezuela is La Zona en Reclamacion. So what does that mean? Obviously, if you translated this straight across, it means the zone that's being reclaimed by Venezuela. This is a centuries-old dispute. But if you want to impress your Venezuelan friends, or if Venezuela ever becomes a safe place to go to again at some point in the future, and you're going to go there and watch baseball, or you're going to go there and go to Angel Falls, or you're going to do business there, or whatever it may be, when you discuss the 4 subregions of Venezuela with Venezuelans, and then you add in this secret 5th subregion of Venezuela, they will be very impressed. It's in Western Guyana, what is today Western Guyana. Now, one of the problems is that today there are a lot of natural resources in that area. And so both Guyana and Venezuela both claim this piece of land. That's a long strip of land that borders a river and also borders Venezuela. It's very complicated how this came into the possession of Guyana, but it did come into the possession of Guyana over some very long period of time. It had to do with wars and debts and leases and all kinds of things like this. But it's part of Guyana. It will almost certainly always remain part of Guyana, but out of a sort of nationalistic pride, I suppose, Venezuelans still like to claim this piece of land. However, as I said, it's probably never going back to Venezuela. But in my time in Venezuela, which was back in the Chavez regime, all the maps that were printed in Venezuela included this Zona in Reclamacion. So let's take a couple looks at it here. So here's Venezuela, and then you can see the blue arrows pointing at Zona en Reclamacion. That is actually Guyana today. The far right-hand side, which would be the eastern part, is kind of jagged because it's along a river. You can see here's another map that shows Guyana and Venezuela, and then the Guyana Esquiva, which is this land that's the Zona en Reclamacion. So Venezuela claims all of that land to the west of the river. And here's another one right here. So this also shows the Zona en Reclamacion, which is actually Guyana. There you go. Hope you enjoyed that. This will not be on the test, but it's just a little tidbit to give you a little bit more information in case you were interested in it.